Good morning, everyone. My name is Xiao, and today I will be presenting my research titled AI Self-Efficacy as a Mediator Between Literacy Facilitation, Job Replacement Anxiety by AI, and Teachers' Job Satisfaction. I'm a Doctor of Education candidate at City University, Malaysia. My field of study is education. Okay, here is a quick overview of today's presentation. I'll begin with the introduction and literature review, followed by the method, finding, and conclusions. Job satisfaction is a complex concept involving how people feel and think about their work. Well, it's well studied globally. Research on teachers' job satisfaction in the AI era, especially in China, is still limited. This study examines if AI self-efficacy helps explain how literacy support and AI job anxiety affects job satisfaction among school teachers in Wuhan, China. This study is based on social cognitive society theory, which highlights how people's beliefs affect their behavior and outcomes. Teachers' job satisfaction affects their performance, retention, and student success. It's shaped by support from leaders, training, workload, and rewards. However, little is known about how AI-related factors affect satisfaction. This study helps steer that fill that gap. AI self-efficacy refers to a teacher's confidence in using AI tools effectively. This study suggests that teachers with higher AI self-efficacy are more likely to feel satisfied with their work. Literacy facilitation refers to the support and the resource provided to help teachers develop skills, especially in areas like AI. All development has caused job replacement anxiety among employees. Studies show this anxiety lower self-efficacy and job satisfaction. This quantitative study used a questionnaire, literacy facilitation, and AI job anxiety came from previous study. We used the PLS-SEM sampling targeting primary and secondary school teachers in Wuhan. Data were collected online via Wenjuanxin. We received 803 responses with 655 valid. We used SPSS29 and Smart PLS 4.1 for data analysis. The measurement model includes vector loadings, Cronbach effort, composite reliability, and AVE to access reliability and validity. All Cronbach effort and composite CR values are above 0.7, indicating good reliability. All AVE values show good convergent validity. Therefore, all items were routine for further analysis. This study used the HTMT method to test the discriminant validity, as shown in Table 2. All HTMT values are below 0.85, indicating that discriminant validity is established. Table 3 shows that AI self-efficacy mediates the link between literacy facilitation and job satisfaction. This study found that AI self-efficacy helps explain how literacy support improves job satisfaction among Wuhan teachers. This supports past research shows that self-efficacy can reduce stress and improve job well-being. This study shows that AI self-efficacy help explain how literacy support and AI job anxiety affect the teacher's job satisfaction in Wuhan. The findings support the theory and give useful advice for schools. There are some references of my success. And that brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention.